Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well on this lovely Saturday. So yes, I've received a few queries pertaining to how your items or questions display when you make use of the SPSS system. So the purpose of today's video is to assist you to address your labeling / name issue. So let me share my screen to show you what I'm referring to. For the purposes of this exercise, I'm going to take any data set or a random group of questions. So yeah, I mean, I can imagine some of you may be struggling to find your items because now you kind of have to do this to see which is which in terms of your questions. So let me see, maybe I can take the last data set. Before I'm just taking this random group of questions and I'm just going to run a random test on this. So as a student that might not be used to the system, and should you be stressing or rushing through this, it could be that you've grabbed a random set of questions. And in the end of the day, this is how your output is going to be. Not only did you struggle in the beginning to select the right question number, but also when your display comes up, you're sitting having to look at questions. So if you're going to do any note writing, you will have to use your scoring key to determine what question is in front of you. So today I just want to show you how to fix this, because it is really tricky to look at your data like this. So all you have to do is you go to edit, you go to options, and on your first page you'll see variable lists. Just change the display labels to display names, and then you go to output and you change your first labels to names, and then your labels column to values. And here at the bottom, should you be doing any pivot tables, you do the same over here. So names in the first category and values in the same category. Let me repeat. So you go to edit, you go to options, and in your tabs on general, you select by variable list, you select display names. Then you click on the output tab, you change the first labels to names and the second labels to values. And at the bottom, you do the same. First label becomes names and the second labels become values. You click apply, you say okay, you click okay again. So now I'm going to analyze again. So I analyze, factor analysis, and if I go to the bottom now, I see these all my item numbers. I can also see from here that I basically can now I would have included the wrong questions in the first attempt. So just to address that, just note I'm doing random stuff over here at this point in time. So just to get this to work. Right, I'm running it. When I click on OK, you will see that now you see your item numbers. So, and I think, this makes it much more easier to read your tables. So yes, please feel free to comment on the video if this has helped you. And also, if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out and I'll see how I can help you. I want to wish you guys all of the best and good luck with the rest of SPSS. Thank you.